In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your RAM specification. Whether you're troubleshooting a performance issue, planning an upgrade, or just curious about your system's capabilities, knowing how to check your RAM specification is a crucial skill for any computer user. So let's dive into it. First, we're going to start by navigating to the search bar on your taskbar. This is typically located at the bottom of your screen, right next to the Start menu button. If your taskbar is crowded with icons, you might have to look closely, but it's usually easy to spot. The search bar is your gateway to finding almost anything on your computer, so it's an incredibly handy tool. Next, type in System Information. As you start typing, you should see suggestions pop up. When you see System Information in the list of results, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the System Information window, a treasure trove of details about your computer's hardware and software configuration. Now, with the System Information window open, you want to focus on finding the details about your RAM. The system summary should be selected by default, but if it's not, make sure to click on it. Within this overview, you'll see a wide array of information about your system. To find your RAM specification, look for entries labeled Installed Physical Memory, RAM, or Total Physical Memory. This section will tell you how much RAM is physically installed on your system. It might say something like 8.00 gigabytes or 16.00 gigabytes, depending on your setup. Additionally, if you want to dig deeper into the specifics of your RAM, such as the speed or the number of slots used, you may need to click through additional sections or tabs, depending on your system setup. Sometimes, you might need to look under the Components section and then select Memory for more detailed information. At this point, you should have a clear understanding of your RAM specifications, including the total amount installed. Knowing these details can help you make informed decisions about upgrades or troubleshoot performance issues effectively. And that's it. Checking your RAM specification is a straightforward process once you know where to look. By using the System Information tool, you can quickly access a wealth of information about your computer's hardware, helping you to better understand and optimize your system's performance. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tech tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy computing!